In this quick video, I want to show you what to do if your Toshiba Fire TV doesn't turn on any longer. It just stays black or just doesn't turn on. It's pretty simple to troubleshoot. So first we're going to make sure, what you want to make sure is that your power adapter, your power outlet rather, that you have it plugged into is working. So temporarily plug another device into it, like a hairdryer or something or anything, just to test to see if that power outlet works. You may want to take your TV to another location in the house if you can and check another power outlet. Okay, next after that, what you want to do is you want to do a reset. Basically, it's a reset of the software. And to do that, what we're going to do is unplug it, unplug the TV from the wall, or technically you could unplug it directly from its mount here on the TV. So as you can see here, here's the cord. So I'm plugging it. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait at least 1 minute. And as we're doing that, we're going to find the power buttons that goes with this TV. And sometimes on the Toshiba Fires, they're underneath. And sometimes they're on the side. Let me look here. Okay. So we can see here on the side. So what we do is we hold the button down, or it's like a hard press for about 10 seconds. And if you see any other buttons around, like the volume up and volume down button, you want to press those as well for like 10 seconds. And what that does is it releases any power that's still on the TV. Once you do that, you're going to still wait another minute. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and plug it back in. And after we plug it in, we're going to wait another 10 seconds. And then we're going to test to see if it powers on. Okay, next thing what we're going to do, if that doesn't work, what you're going to do is get your remote control. And you're going to take the batteries out. And then with the batteries out, we're going to hold the power down for 10 seconds. So what that does is release any power that's in the remote. One thing to do is just test the batteries in the remote and make sure that the batteries are not dead in your remote control. Okay, after you do that, you see this cord that I unplugged earlier? This is called a Polarized AC Cord. And I'll put a link in the description, but you can get these on eBay or Amazon. They're very cheap and they're very inexpensive, so it's possible that your cord to your TV went bad. So go ahead and replace that, and maybe that will fix the TV. So we'll go ahead and plug that back in. Finally, last but not least, is unplug your TV again. And I want you to get a hairdryer, and you're basically heating it up. And so what you want to do is you want to put it on warm settings, and you want to blow all the way through this vent here for about a good 2 to 3 minutes. And of course that's going to kick up some dust. And then you're going to let it cool down for about 10 minutes, plug it back in, and then see if that works. And that might fix your Toshiba Fire TV. Let me know in the description. I'll put a review. I've done a couple of reviews on TVs. I've done one on the ONN from Walmart, and I did one on the Amazon TV. Check out those reviews at the end of this video. And do make sure you subscribe. Have a good one.